What is up, everybody? We are back in this position. Let me take these off because that glass glare in the last video was no bueno, so I may have some red marks here. Sorry. I'm wearing my glasses all day. Today I just am, this is just a rant video. This is just nothing particular. Well, it is particular actually. It's just about being a single mom, being stressed out. Today was a rough day. I'll just say like this whole week has been very, very tough for me. And when I say tough, I mean overwhelmed, feeling like overworked, just like tired and stressful because, you know, having a 4-year-old, almost 5-year-old, it's hard. And not having a lot of adult time, and that means to me nothing more than just like having adult conversation, having alone, like 100% alone time where there's nobody else around me but me and my thoughts and silence. Just all of that has been lacking. And you know, my best friend just told me, you know, because I was telling her how I was feeling overwhelmed and I just have so many things that I want to accomplish and do, and I'm constantly, you know, thinking of ways to make money, thinking of ways to get content out, and she's just like, you need to just chill. And I was just telling her how excited I am for when Ariel starts school because it is full week. I mentioned in my last video that I'm excited because it's full week, full day, so I'll have like that free time to myself. I'll be able to put more content out. I basically was like, well, it'll give me a chance to possibly find another job, you know, in addition to the one I have now. And she's like, even if you don't, just take that time to be by yourself. And she's a mom as well, so she understands, you know, what I'm going through. And anybody who has a preschooler can understand, I'm sure, whether you're a single parent or not, but just being a single parent is definitely more challenging, I think, because yes, I have my mom to help me, but she works full-time. I don't have someone to fully take on that other half of the burden. Her dad is involved, yes, but so it's just a complicated situation, but just basically, like, I'm doing this 24/7, and you know, I know there's other things to be concerned about than being a single parent or just my struggles with that, but I just had to come on and just talk for a minute because I'm stressed. Your girl is stressed out. It's been draining, it's been exhausting, emotional, and I'm just tired. And I'm not trying to get emotional, but it's exhausting. Like, anybody who is going through this, whether it be single parenting or something with work or school or parents or friends, you just feel drained mentally and emotionally. You know, I just want to encourage you and remind you, like, you're not alone. The situation may be different, but you know, we all can relate in some way or another. And for me, it's been very exhausting, and I don't know any other way to say it, and I don't know any other way to go about it. So any parents out there, any single parents out there who have struggled and have come through, leave any tips. I'm always welcome to receive tips and advice. You know, and I take what I take and I leave what I leave, but I'm always grateful and always appreciative of any advice that I can get. And outside of that, I'm just really excited we have our Vegas trip coming up. I see my dad at least once or twice a year, so she gets to spend time with her grandpa and her great-grandpa and her uncle and, you know, other grandma. And I just get to have some me time because, you know, my dad allows me to just leave and go do whatever I want and just enjoy some peaceful time, and hopefully we'll get to see some friends out there. But yeah, man, I'm excited for that. Even just this little bit, I didn't really touch too much on what has been happening. Just being able to talk has already relieved some of the stress, and I feel a little bit more relaxed. I feel a little bit more like clear-minded, so I may make this a regular thing. What do you think? You guys, would you guys like that? Let me know. I'll try to get this up tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. But right now, I'm about to go make my brownie in a mug and put on Insecure. What do you guys do when you get a chance to be by yourself as parents? What is your like go-to thing? Like, what is that thing that you do? Let me know. I'm always interested to see like what other people's downtime or relaxed time is, what it consists of. Yeah. All right, well, thank you guys for letting me vent. If you like videos like this, definitely hit that like. Let me know down in the comments below what you've been struggling with, how you deal with stuff like this, and I hope if you are going through something like this and you feel like, is it just me? Is it just me? Just know that it's not just you. I feel your pain. We're here, okay? All right, I'm about to go put on Insecure. So excited. You guys watch that show? If you don't watch that show, what are you doing with your life? Just kidding. All right, well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.